Hi there, this is Dr. Ole with Central Iowa Neuropathy. Today I'm joined by Shirley. Shirley, how'd you find us?
On a newspaper.
Newspaper, okay.
But I was looking because I had this similar treatment in Arizona and I wanted to continue here. And
So
until we saw your ad, I hadn't found anybody.
Okay, so you dealt with neuropathy in the past.
I have.
How long have you been dealing with that?
I had one doctor's sessions in Scottsdale and probably 2018 maybe.
Okay.
And then in 2019 I found one in Mesa where I was living. And so I've had 2 different sessions besides this one now.
All right. So what were you noticing prior to coming in? How was it affecting daily life for you?
I couldn't sleep at night. My legs, I have restless legs too, so I couldn't sleep at night, and I knew that I hadn't completed that much in the other session when I left, and I wanted to continue.
Yeah.
I have to keep mobile. My husband's 90, going to be 92 this year, and I'm the only driver, and I'm the only one that can do anything, so it's important.
All right. Yeah, yes it is. So we just finished up the first 3 months. So what have you noticed that you can do now that you couldn't do before? Or how's it improved life for you?
Well, I don't know if you'd call it improving life because now I can run the vacuum and clean my house. And I have a lot more energy with the booster, and I just feel much more viable, alive.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's great to hear. More energy and able to do housework. So if that's what you're looking for, then come here. But
yeah, you don't want to do that.
All right. Well, I appreciate you sharing that with us, and hopefully this will help someone out there that's looking for help.
I hope so.
All right. Take care.
Thank you.